All right, so lots of apartment buildings, and then the bottoms are businesses. Photo Flicker. I'm not sure what that is, honestly. No idea. No, it's not Photo Liquor, which I thought it was at first. It's Photo Flicker. And we got a restaurant over here. Not sure what that is. In True. Oh, Saint Honore. I don't know. European restaurant, Violin Academy, Music Academy here. Queen Spa. So you can get your back done, I guess, whatever. Oh, that's an Italian restaurant. Pindolusco. Italian restaurant. All right, well, I know where to get some Italian food now. Spa in there. Oh, dentist, Invisalign, open daily. Premier Dental. And then we got, let's go down here. Okay. Kimbap. Oh, okay, Korean food. All right. I have no idea where I'm going or what we're going to see. Kiniko looks like a Korean area. What is in here? Kiniko. Let's check it out. Just go in. Hi. I'm just wandering around. Pet store? Pet shop. Okay. All right. I don't think I need anything. Nice pet shop. Oh, okay. Whoa. Stupid backpack's getting in the way. Let's keep on walking back here. Oh, private property, no trespassing. Okay. Maybe brewery or something? Oh well, we'll head back out to the street. I need to head that way to pick up a couple of things. Anyhow, see, that's the thing about the city here. You just never know what you're gonna find. And that's a very cool coffee shop. I was in there earlier. It's got a second story. Very Japanese sort of design. They actually have places to sit outside. Plug up your computer or a phone or something to recharge. Villa 26. Not sure what that is. Oh, there's hello pupster. Looks like they're doing some building in there. You just don't know what you're gonna find down these side streets and roads here. Of course, you have like people who live here too. What this is up here, Bon. That sounds Korean as well. Yep, Bon. Comfort food remixed Asian Soul Kitchen. Okay, doesn't look like they're open right now. And that is the Saigon International University right there. And more housing over here on the right. It's park in the streets. It's like they're out there shooting hoops or something. Oh no, they're playing tennis. Oh, they have a hike here. It's sun's come out. It's probably about 90 right now. Pharmacy. It's very small pharmacy for the school here. Yeah, Sioux University. International University. Here it is over here as well. So pretty big. Take all this into account. That's part of it as well. So Roman Cafe, happy hour. That's in here. Wow, nice. Okay. Students ahead of me here. You see, it's hot as all get out. They wear layers because they're trying to protect their skin, which I can't blame them. I don't know what this is. NB, don't know. Apartment for lease, so I guess some apartments. And over here we've got pediatric clinic and a little coffee shop, coffee and tea, more housing. Let's go this way. Almost to the end of the street. Some parking there for the school. SIU parking. Houses. And we're almost up to the main street here. Wow, kids over there. Lots of motorcycles in there. Need to find a Horizon school. So these are for younger kids. Here at the, sorry for the jar there. I stepped down and missed that step. 100% silk. Lots of silk clothes in there. And we're up to the main street. Get a shot of the main street here. Yeah, sorry about that jarring step. Misstep on my part. That's like a convenience store over there. Lifestyle platform GS25. And you guys see what's around. That's it for now. We're gonna cut it here, and like and subscribe, please. Leave a comment. All that interaction helps me out, helps people find the channel, and we'll catch you later. Bye now.